In this session, we will discuss about what are the rules of method overriding in the Java, or we can say that what are the points should we consider to understand the method overriding OOPS concept. Okay, so we will discuss on that part. Thank you. So let's open the law book to understand the method overriding in the Java. From the law book, I found that there are the 5 thumb rules which we need to be followed or to understand the method overriding. So the law number 1, the method name should be common and the same as it is in the parent class. So let's take this example to understand the law number 1 about this method overriding. This is my child class. In the child class, I have a method as a display message. So the name of the method, okay, is a display message. It is also present in my parent class as a display message, right? Okay, now let's understand about the law number 2, the method signature. The method signature, the two things which comes under the method signature, one is a return type and second one is a number of argument. Okay, must be same as a parent class. Okay, here we can see, take the same example. We have in the parent class, we can see that the return type is defined as a void, and there is a no argument, is a 0 argument into the parent class. And in the same version of the sub child class, we have a similar way. It's a return type is a void and there is a no argument of this method. So we can see that this is my overridden method from the parent class. Okay, the two rules we understand. First one is a method name should be a common and the same as which is defined into the parent class. The rule number 2, the method signature is a parameter list or a return type in the method must be the same as in the parent class. Now third rule regarding the relationship, there must be a inheritance connections between the class, right? We have a connections between these two class, parent class and child class. So inherent relationship, how we can create it? Via the extend keyword in the Java. Okay, so 3 rules we understand it. Now go ahead with the 4th rule. All the abstract method in the parent class. Okay, in this example we have not defined, I will show you. So first understand the rule. All the abstract method in the parent class should be overridden in the child class. Let me create an abstract method. Abstract void test abstract method like this. Okay, now it is giving the error. Let me make it as an abstract. Now the error gone. Okay, so in my parent version class, which is defined as an abstract and have a abstract keyword, abstract method. So in the child version, either I have to define, so you can see that it will also give the error of the implement method. Either I have to define like this way and I can just write as a, I can implement this method, or what I can do, I will just remove this and whatever the signature here I can define like this way as well. Is it possible? Okay, it is also saying that you need to be remove the extract modifier. Okay, it will not allowing us. Okay, So just what we can do, we can just write some sys out and I am child, okay. So here you can see that. So one here in this example we'll got one interview question as well, कि if any class has an abstract method, in that case the parent class is also defined as an abstract. If we are not defining it, then it will give the error. And what error it will become up? It will give the errors, this one. Let me show the message. What message it is coming? The abstract method, this is my abstract method, in type of parent version can only defined by the abstract class. The class should be also defined as an abstract, then only you can declare the abstract method. Okay, so that was the error which we were can see. So this is the also, that is also a thumb rule which is coming from the law book of this object oriented. uh, so that also we need to be understand that part as well. Okay, so here let me save it. What is the error? I could see some error here. Okay, cannot initiate. Okay, now the third question, whenever any class which is marked as abstract, you cannot create the object. Okay, so it will give you an error here. Okay, that error message I can print over here. Cannot initiate the type parent version. Okay, because when we are using any abstract keyword with any class, then it will not allow to create the object. So I'm just commenting over here this one. Okay, so too many interview questions we are seeing over here, and definitely this session is very useful for you and you will really learn a lot of things about Java. Okay, so we discuss about the four laws about method overriding. Now the last law is that if any method in a parent class which is declared as a final or a static, then you cannot overwritten it. For example, if I marked as a final, now you can see that the child version is the error. Now the error, where is the, okay, here you can see that it is showing the error like this. Let me, cannot override the final method from the parent version, right? Because you try to override, you have marked this as a final. I have already created a, separate video regarding this final keyword. uh, what are the, when you are declared any method, class or a variable as a final, what will be happen? Even when we have creating the collections, and within that collections if you use the final keyword for list, map, so in that case what will be happen? So those kind of the things you can see on that my video. So requesting you to please subscribe my channel. It will really help me uh, to motivate myself to prepare this kind of the videos and share the knowledge between all our Java community or our friends. Okay, so we discuss about 5 thumb rule. Thumb rule 1, the method name should be common and the same as whatever declared into the parent class. Rule number 2, the method signature in the method, whatever we have defined, should be same into the parent class. There should be a inheritance connections between the parent and child class. All the abstract method which is defined into the parent class must be overridden into the child class. And last and final one, whenever any method is defined as a final or a static, then those method cannot be overridden. Okay, in the next part we are discussing about method hiding. That is also a very good interview questions, and we will discuss more about that into the next session. Thank you so much.